So I'm going to use my flat brush. This is a 12 flat. And I am wiping off the orange. Not that that really mattered, because I'm going to be using a darker color to shade around here. And I have Spice Brown. Give it a shook and a shake. I haven't used that in a while. It broke right off. I wished that the acrylic paints at Dollar Tree were good, but they're not. Load up your brush with water and just tap it out a little bit. You're going to take the corner of your brush and you're going to just tap the corner into the paint. And then on your palette here, when I press down, you can see that the paint is not all the way across my brush. It is really just on an end. And this is where I want to be. The side that has the paint in it. And I can just come right up against that pumpkin, because the pumpkin is made of paper and it has a guideline for me. So we'll clean that out, load it up again. So I'm just going to press and go around that whole edge. And you can't go back and forth on, like, you have to do it and just keep going. After it dries, you can go back if you want to darken it up. Alright. More paint, please. Dip your corner. Brush it out. I cannot go over where I just went. I have to pick up where I left off. Just squiggle around that leaf. Now you can see where the shading is. I'm going to go around it one more time, and it's probably dry, but a hit of heat never hurts. Now, I've been doing decorative painting for a long time. I took a break from it when I discovered scrapbooking, but now I see that I can combine my scrapbooking and journaling with decorative painting. It all works well together. So I have water in the brush. That's very important that you have water in the brush. And these are already dry over here. Let's work it out. And now I am going to go back over that area that I did. So now it's getting darker. Now I'm shaking a bit because I have that edge that I want to really get into. And as long as I hold my brush flat like that, the only place that the paint is going is where I want it to go. Corner, brush out. When I was teaching at Bella, I'd say to my girls, just do it. Just do it. Because of that shiny finish that you have, you can wipe it off. I think it looks great. Always try to remember to at least rinse out your brushes. You don't want to get paint up into that metal. See the metal and then the brush hairs? You don't want your paint or water to be sitting up in there because it'll ruin your brush. Another hit of heat. I am really pondering. I don't know if I want to do a Christmas layout next, or if I want to do a altered art like this, but a face. I feel the urge to do a face, a funky face. Not a portrait face, can't do those, but I can do funky faces. Also, I like to do line work, also known as Zentangle or Zentangle, but I am not a certified Zentangle person, so I can't say that. So I didn't say it. I just call it line work by Annie Lou. So I have some things floating around in my head. I want to put down the leaves, so I don't know if it's time to glue them down or what. So once again, this happened last time when I went and I got another leaf. Too many on that side and not enough on that side, unless I shift them. I still have more leaves. I am doing Thanksgiving dinner, and I was trying to think of a centerpiece thing. And I said, I have those leaves left over. It definitely needs another leaf over here. Hello, Autumn. Woo! It goes over my, the leaf. I really didn't want that. Shall I go sideways? Hello, Autumn. Oh, I did not want that. I think I didn't put this down low enough is what happened. See what happens? Now I gotta make do with what I did. Unbelievable. It doesn't always work out. Let me come down a little bit more. Red one over there, and a red one over here. I think I'm going to do something else on the background. I am going to get yellow. This is called Cadmium Yellow from Deco Art. I'm getting that piece of bubble wrap that I had. This is going a long way, that one little piece. Put some yellow over here. Have a paper towel. I don't want too much yellow. Pound it out. And now I'm just going to close my eyes and pounce. Now I don't want it on the leaf.